Okay, so we're doing some research for Project 3. The business I ended up choosing, which wasn't in any of the previous ones, is going to be Creekside Lanes. I went and had a couple. I went and talked to the manager of the establishment recently, and they really don't do too much advertising, so it was pretty good for this assignment. When researching, since I bowl, but I don't. It's not like I do it often. So, and I know at Creekside Lanes is a different demographic than probably at AMF or at Northside Bowling Lane. So just to possibly learn of you know different demographics to advertise to, I use this website. I found this website, Small Biz, Small Biz Technology, and it just gives you 15 key strategies for marketing to different generations, and they go through millennials, Generation X, baby boomers, all the way back. So till the silent generation. So I mean, it gives you a pretty good wide range of tactics that you can use to um, advertise to. Because I mean, bowling alleys, they get people through a lot of different ages and different groups of people come through. So hopefully, I can find something in here that will help me be able to advertise a little better to the demographic for the business. And then another website that I use is radioadvertisingfacts.com, and it just gives you 10 facts or 10 good reasons why you should advertise on the radio, and they go through all of those. So I'll be posting these in the discussion within the video journal, and links for others if they need them, because I think that these are both two broad websites that can actually help um, anybody, and actually any business. It doesn't really matter. It's not subjected to just one type of business. And if we're all using radio right now as a means of advertising, so I think this would be good for everybody.